Want to tell you about what we have going on now. And this is really exciting. It's through the DrBVIP.com site. And you're going to see it's a challenge to get information out now. So we have this new hour, and it's called Apprenticeship Hour, where we're going to be teaching anatomy, physiology, neurology. But I mean, I'm talking on a basic level, something that you can use now. So we're talking first aid to headaches to how to recognize if something's a problem. And this is going to be the last Thursday of every month at high noon California time. And it runs for 60 minutes. And then we have about a 30 minute, last time it was an hour and a half question and answer, but question and answer on how the body works. I mean, this one coming up next week, it's on diaphragm and breathing. So you're going to find out how to alkalinize the system, how to get good diaphragmatic function, where the nerves that supply the diaphragm are, how to help the diaphragm in people that are sick, how to get both halves of the brain stimulated to have a calming effect to do that oxygen transfer. I mean, we're going to teach a lot. And this is, I think, our third or fourth session coming up this Thursday. Don't miss it. It's absolutely fantastic. And when you sign up, you can actually get second programs too, or review that program in the past too, if you've missed anything. But I'll see you there. Just keep spreading the news, man. Learn how your body works, because you're going to be living in this vehicle for at least 100 years. And we want at least 120 healthy years. That would be fantastic. I'll see you there.